Welcome to the BMC Quick Course series. If you use Catalog Manager to generate either BMC or IBM utilities, you'll be interested in the Catalog Manager User Utility Profile feature. A utility profile will allow you to edit any BMC or IBM utility and save any options that you change. You may not need to edit the utility options for that utility again because Catalog Manager will use what has been saved in the profile. First, we'll update the Catalog Manager user options to set up a profile dataset and update one of the switches. From the Catalog Manager main menu, select Option 4. Set the Edit Dataset Names and Edit Switches to Y and press Enter. Type a dataset name and press Enter to save all of your utility profiles. Catalog Manager will allocate the dataset later in the process. Press Enter to update the Switches panel. Set the last used prof to Y and press Enter. Next, we'll save a utility profile into the dataset. To do this, we'll need to generate a tablespace list. For the example, we will be using NGT reorg. Type NGT reorg next to a tablespace and press Enter. Notice that your utility profile dataset is displayed on the utility list panel. Also take note of the profile field because we will use it later. Type ED next to the utility to edit the NGT reorg options. Say you always want to save the dictionary, so set the rebuild dict parameter to be in. Make these changes and type profile save as and the name on the command line and press Enter. You can name your profile anything. I like to use a name that will trigger what is in the profile. Catalog Manager will allocate the dataset that you entered on the Dataset Names panel for you and save your profile in one easy step. Press Enter on this panel and the saved message is displayed on the NGT reorg panel. If you generate the NGT reorg job, you will notice that Keep Dictionary is included in the NGT reorg syntax. Now, to understand how the last used prof switch works, PF3 back to the tablespace list and type NGT reorg next to a different tablespace and press Enter. Notice that the utility profile name you selected is listed under the profile heading. If you do not want to use the displayed profile for this job, type a question mark in the command field and you will see the options related to utility generation. You will need to page down to see the profile options. Having paged down to see the profile options, RP will remove the profile, P will display a list of profiles and you can select from that list. This completes the User Utility Profile feature of Catalog Manager. Thank you for your time.